Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a refund from your electronic credit ledger using an easy method. First, ensure your ledger has a positive balance available for refund. Next, gather all supporting documents, such as invoices and payment records, to justify your claim. Finally, access the online portal and navigate to the refund application section to begin the process. This straightforward approach helps you recover your funds efficiently. Once logged in, find the specific section for electronic credit ledger refunds. Carefully complete the application form, providing accurate details about the amount you wish to claim. Double-check all entries to avoid delays. Attach all necessary supporting documents, like proof of excess payment or credit notes, in the specified format. Submitting a complete and correct application is crucial for a quick resolution. After submission, regularly check your application status on the portal. The system will provide updates on its progress, from initial review to final approval. Be prepared to provide any further information or documents if requested by the authorities. Timely responses can significantly speed up the verification process. Once approved, the refund amount will be credited to your designated bank account. To ensure a smooth refund, always verify your bank account details before submission. Incorrect information can lead to significant delays or even failed transactions. Maintain a thorough record of your application reference numbers and all correspondence for future reference. If you encounter issues, contact customer support with your details ready. Also, for those looking to improve their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a great book and other helpful deals. This proactive approach will help you navigate the process effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.